I'm going to write a sound, and you have to guess what that sound is.
All right, I'm doing so good. All right, go.
Why are you about to cover your ears?
I don't know.
Okay, cool. Here it is.
Erit. Oh, dude, f***ing DJ.
Yes!
Yeah, first guess.
Wow.
Erit. All right, let me see. When you shut off your MacBook.
No.
Oh, you're right. Bleep, bloop, blop, bleep, bloop, bloop, blop, bloop, 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 bleep, bloop. Oh, a text message.
No.
Bleep, blop,
Bleep, bloop. Bloop.
bleep, oh, bleep, bleep, bloop, bleep, bloop,
Faster.
bleep, bloop,
Bleep, bloop.
bleep, bloop. Oh, oh, I know it. Bleep, bleep, bloop. I almost had it. I don't know.
Unlocking a car. I mean, pretty bleep, bloop.
Every car sounds different.
A text would have been bloop, bleep.
Honestly, that's really good.
That
Beep,
sound? The unlocking or locking it?
Whatever,
That's
whatever that
locking.
was.
That was locking it.
That's what I said.